So now I have my baby Bertha, and I have this 50-foot streamer. It's folded and then rolled backwards, and I now have a connection point on both ends at the same time, which is very interesting. When this opens up, it has a teardrop form as it falls, and that makes it fall with much more air resistance. However, the trick is, how do you tie two ends at the same time onto our existing Kevlar system? Well, over here, where we connect to the body, you start here, and this was a large loop. You may have a large loop, you may have a small loop. If you don't have a loop, just simply tie a knot here, then you will have a loop. It's really easy to do. This Kevlar is very strong, very adaptable. So just put this through, take the streamer, and then we pull this through like we did before. And now we have a connection. Over here by the body. And this is really important because the body has this bouncing back and forth or yank on this side of the streamer. And what we want to do is we want to have the other side of the streamer now connected off to the nose cone area. And these are separated by this large Kevlar cord in the middle, about 4 to 5 feet long. So the two ends are separated by at least 5 feet. And that's really important. You need to get them far away from each other. If you put them too close, they're just going to tangle and they're going to get involved in each other's airstreams. So the trick to putting this end on, when that end is already tied, is you push the Kevlar cord through. And this is not easy with the Kevlar. There it goes. And we've got this large knot here. So the question is, how do you tie this onto this loop if it's already tied over there? Well, instead of putting the streamer through here, we just actually put the blanket through here. So just take the blanket and pull it through. And now we can see it's actually connected. Pull that back. There we go. You see now it's actually connected to the eyelet, which is what we want. So it's connected to the eyelet. And it was really easy. We just put the loop through this eyelet and then just pull the blanket through. And now we have this streamer attached in two places. We have it attached here by the body. We have it attached to the blanket. They're separated by about 5 feet. And this is 50 feet long. It's going to look really nice. And again, this looped streamer appears as a teardrop, and it's going to fall very, very slow.